Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Reset Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create your own equalizer preset. Here we are now in the application itself, which is called the SOUNDCORE. Here we have to tap equalizer at the bottom of our screen, and now we have to tap custom here. Here to modify we have to tap this arrow here. And now we can, as you can see, modify our equalizers, do everything you want. And now to save, we have to tap plus. Now you can tap ADQ, done. Here, as you can see, we have this one saved and this one, which is new actually, but here we can use this one. That's it, hope it helps you and goodbye, have a nice day.